It was 2 a.m. when Kinza sat in her room, staring at her phone. Her prayer mat was in the corner, untouched since Aisha. She should have been sleeping, studying, or helping her family, but instead, she was waiting for Anas's next message. Her heart raced every time his name appeared on the screen. Slowly, her life began to change. She missed prayers, stopped writing for her Islamic blog, and used her money on makeup and clothes just to impress him. At university, she focused more on Anas than on her studies. She told herself it was love, but in her heart she knew it was haram. Shaytan whispered to her, "It's fine, it makes you happy." At home, her mother worked late every night to keep their small academy running. Her father, sick after an accident, needed care. But Kinza didn't pay attention. Her world revolved around Anas. Then one day, her mother collapsed while teaching Qur'an. In the hospital, Kinza held her mother's weak hand and realized how selfish she had been. All this time, her mother was carrying the family's burdens alone while she wasted her time on a boy. That same night, a message came from Anas. "I got a job in Malaysia. I'm leaving soon. Thanks for the fun times. Hope you didn't think this was serious." Her heart broke. Months of chatting, missed salah, and lost focus, only to be left behind. Crying, Kinza prayed to Allah, "Ya Allah, guide me back to you." She deleted WhatsApp, returned to her prayers, and started her blog again. Her first post, "Finding My Way Back to Allah," touched thousands of people. Step by step, Kinza rebuilt her faith. She helped her mother, taught Qur'an to children, and found peace in salah. For the first time, she felt real love, the love of Allah. Moral: Shaytan traps us step by step. First a small chat, then long talks, then missed prayers. But haram love always ends in pain. True love is only found in halal with Allah's blessing.